If you hear any background noise, that is just my little brother and um and my mom trying to investigate something that fell. Um, as if you just heard my little brother saying "yeah, cat," please ignore all that stuff because he always does this, and I can't put up with it anymore. He will never stop unless I record my videos at 3 a.m. in the morning. So yeah, here we go. Anyway, welcome to Mermaid Truths. This is my first video. I couldn't think of anything, so I just decided to copy Fairy Truth's name and use and put mermaid instead of fairy. So yeah, if you're Fairy Truths watching this, oh my god, thank you so much. And by the way, I just I'm not pretending to be you, Fairy Truths. I just yeah. So let's get on with the video. And guess this is all made by paint, so who cares if you see this stuff. You're gonna need water, salt. Sea salt works the best because well, you just need like some kind of link to the ocean. I did not have sea salt, so I could not use sea salt. You're gonna need fairy dust, and I'm gonna show you how to make fairy dust. And it has to be the color of your tail if you want if you want your tail to be like a nice color. And it can be a bracelet or a necklace. I used a bracelet. It's silver and it has like a heart on it with a small, tiny jewel on there, and it says love on the heart. It's actual silver. And there's another heart that's fake gold, I think. No, wait, that's just the color of the silver. And then of course, you need to know how to make fairy dust. To make fairy dust, take some chalk and grind it up. This is easier than just getting some kind of powder and adding food coloring because um, it's this is like that will get like kind of hard and sticky, especially if you use sand. And it's best to use sand and not like chalk and baking soda, but chalk and baking soda works too. So you can use that. And then you can add some glitter into it. It can be any color glitter. Silver and pink work the best. And then add some add a small flower petal. Rose and lavender works the best. You can also use perfume. This is just so that it smells nice. If you're gonna use perfume, spray it far away so that it doesn't get like all sticky. And don't like open up the bottle and pour it. If you can do that, don't do that. The side effects are trouble breathing. Now this is extra rare. It usually only happens to the older people trying to do this. So if you're like, I don't know, if you're old, if you think that this might happen to you, or like it does not happen to kids like me. I'm a kid. I'm only 9 years old. So this does not happen to you. Um, but your legs will tingle and hurt. So yeah, and you're gonna cross them a lot. You're gonna want a lot of salty stuff. I actually put salt in my water and drank it, like all of it. I don't know what I was thinking. Uh, First, you're gonna have to add some salt into your water. Sprinkle a little bit of your fairy dust into the water. Put your piece of jewelry in there. Now say this spell 10 times. Mermaids, mermaids of the deep, when wearing this are no longer one feet, with a tail of blue and shimmering gold, and the power of ice. Otherwise, water is magical, water is so pure, I will protect it even on the shore. So, you, um, so, the reason, if you want to be a mermaid, of course you have to protect your environment, so you have to promise to do that, and you have to believe this will work, and you have to do it 100%. You have to believe, because if you don't, like, they're gonna only get the side effects, or you're gonna just, it won't work. But sometimes it might work. Sometimes it might work and you don't get the side effects. But really, the side effects did work for me. Like, I got pretty much all of them, and you only have trouble breathing when you're in the water, not underwater, just in the water. Um, like you, yeah. So if you, the warnings are, people will want you. If evil sea witches will want you, and then, so yeah, and don't reveal your secret to anyone until you're, and don't take this off and then go into the wall. Well, you can if you know what you're doing, but otherwise you cannot take your your bracelet or your necklace off, because then you're labeled a mermaid, a defenseless mermaid, and people will like try to get you. But only like the magical people who are evil, and then scientists. If you like go into the water and everyone sees you, yeah, don't, you will, either everyone will decide to take you to a zoo and you're gonna be displayed there forever, or people will be like, oh my god, a mermaid, and then scientists do experiments on you, or no one will notice. Just try to go for no one will notice. I mean, like bring a towel whenever you go to the beach, and do not ever transform with your race, with like your phone right next to you, because, or tablet, or a laptop or whatever, because you will get a bunch of scales on your leg and they will never come off, and then you will never be able to transform again, and everyone will see your scales and never gonna be able to wear shorts again. Trust me, this happened to my friend once, and this, yeah, everyone found out, and then she was, and people did a bunch of uh, experiments on her, and then she died of shock. Oh my god, the music was like on cue. Daddy signed me up for acting. Bye, YouTube. I have to go to school in like 30 minutes. So, yeah, have a wonderful day. Don't spoil any. Make sure to back away if someone is drinking water. And do not let your little brother curse on your YouTube channel, especially if he's 7.